how to make a loan payment to Ally Bank online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you got an auto loan or personal loan with Ally, well, let's make a loan payment online from your desktop. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, then you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Ally Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Ally Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from your dashboard, you simply have to select your loan account like auto or personal loan and there you can just click make a payment or pay loan to open the payment setup screen. And there you have to choose your payment source either with your Ally bank account or an external linked bank account. And there you have to enter the payment amount and after that you have to pick your payment date and decide if you want it as a one time or a recurring payment. And once you're done with it, you have to review your details carefully and then click submit or confirm to finalize the payment. And that's it. That's how you can make a loan payment to Ally Bank online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.